Description: gentle and safer cleansing without harmful ingredients. Benefits: 30-day guaranteed results for thicker, fuller-looking hair. Suggested use: apply daily to wet hair, massage gently, leave 1 minute and rinse. Revive volumizing system for non-color treated hair. This 3-step system is formulated to help restore visibly thinning hair with botanical DHT inhibitors to promote healthy hair growth, prevent shedding for thicker, fuller-looking hair. Rosemary extract reduces scalp inflammation and increases circulation. Saw Palmetto inhibits DHT, the hormone linked to hair loss, to promote growth, prevent shedding. Panthenol strengthens hair follicles for healthier strands starting at the roots. Top reviews from the United States. Nice hair again. Bosley system helps one maintain the amount of hair and even grow some.